For you guys this Sabbath morning, Christmas morning, Christmas Eve morning. And if you know it, please feel free to join us and sing. Holy night, the stars are brightly shining. It is the night of our dear Savior's birth. Long lay the world in sin and error binding, till He appeared and the soul felt its worth. A thrill of hope, the weary world rejoices, for yonder breaks a new and glorious morn. Fall on your knees, oh, hear the angels' voices, all night divine, all night when Christ was born, all night divine.